Not seeing blue ticks on WhatsApp and wondering why? Or maybe you turn them off and want them back. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable blue ticks, also known as read receipts, step by step. It only takes a few seconds and you will be able to see when your messages are read again. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on privacy. Find read receipts and turn the toggle on. Once enabled, you will start seeing blue ticks when someone reads your message. Remember, if you turn this on, others will also be able to see when you read their messages. And that's it, blue ticks are now enabled. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.